Tracks in here. Wondering what the new 2021 Sherco 300 SE factory is like? Stick around, we're going to find out together. First ride coming at you. Straight out of the crate today. Removed the delivery jetting and the factory fitted emission friendly pipe. Put the F&F power pipe on and check nuts and bolts, and here we are in the forest. Haven't ridden here before, so it's all new to me. What's different about the 2021 300 SE Sherco that's different from the 2020 model? They have new gear set in the gearbox, incorporating a lower first gear for better low-end speed control and torque. And while they were in there, the gear set has been lightened by 1.2 kilos all up, with a couple of other changes, including a lighter cylinder head and a few other gear changes. So a big difference there in the weight. New GET or Get Racing ignition CDI unit for improved spark starting. And the other big news, of course, is hiding in here behind the cases, and that is a counterbalancer weight added to one of the gears inside the motor. So that's smoothed out an already smooth engine. There's a tiny little bit of feeling in the foot pegs and the handlebars, and it's no worse than a 4-stroke, roughly the same. In fact, I've recently ridden a 20 model 500 Kato, and in my opinion it was one of the most vibrating modern bikes I've ridden. So I had flashbacks to the old 300 KTM 2-strokes riding that bike. So yeah, much improved. It's not electric motor smooth, but it's definitely smoother. It'll take a little bit easy. I'm riding on my own here. Don't want to spin it and not be able to get home. Sounds like I've got a hitchhiker. Yep. See you later, mate. Yeah, might pull up here for a minute. Now I'll tree cuddle. This is the beauty of the folding lever. All good. Those scratches, always good to get them out of the way early. Going through the features of the factory model before, I forgot one of the other important features which I can hear running now is the engine cooling fan. Standard on the factory and an option on the racing. And, even though it's only 18 degrees here today, you can hear it running in the background and keeping an eye on my engine temp for me. No need for special sexy coolants or big radiators or anything, just let the fan run. Part of the standard gear. Love it. New French. Oh, that hasn't gone well. Oh, it is a Jeep. Probably one of the better things that could have happened to it. It's certainly not lacking up the top. I'm doing all this in the angry mode. That's actually something that all Shercos have, is the map switch here where my thumb is, right below the start button, and angry mode and soft mode for wet conditions or extra throttle control when it's tricky. Just dulls the power down to more manageable levels if that's what you need at the time. Switch it on the fly. It's not like the old mechanical systems and other bikes where you have to change a spring or something silly. You just flick it at any time. That's soft mode there now. And I flicked it into angry mode. No stop, no cough, no changes, just more power or less power. Perfect. One thing I haven't mentioned in the rest of the video is gear shift. For a brand new bike, I haven't missed a shift today. Lovely and smooth, solid feeling, and yeah, very positive. What a lovely bike. You have chosen well, my young Padawan. What are my thoughts after day one on the bike? Love it. Certainly very different from my two previous models, obviously, with a completely different engine. But yeah, still Sherco sharp in the handling, very nimble between the trees. And a great controllable, powerful and torquey 300 engine there in the background. cruising back to the car now after day one, and very happy with the purchase. I think the bike and I are going to get on just fine. Well, very successful first day. If you get the chance, duck down to your local dealer, check out the 2021 Sherco 300 range.